completing a genetic cross. So in our example here, we have a father who has brown eyes. So we would say that his phenotype, his features, his phenotype is that he has brown eyes. And the mother has blue eyes, so her phenotype is that she's blue-eyed. When we think about the genotype, we are considering that they are, in this instance, the father is homozygous. He's homozygous dominant. So homozygous means both alleles, both genes are the same and they're dominant. So we would write that his genotype is big B, big B. The mother, because blue is recessive, the mother can only be small b, and have both of those. So her genotype is small b. She would be homozygous, so both alleles are the same, and recessive because she has blue eyes. So whenever we do a genetic cross, we then consider, first of all, when it has divided, the cell divides by meiosis. The gametes contain half the genetic information. So in the father, I'm just going to do it the same way. Inside the sperm, half the sperm cells will contain a big B, and the other half of the sperm cells will also contain a big B, because they have had one of the pair. In the mother, when the cell divides by meiosis to produce the gametes, then we have inside the egg, we have small b, and in half the other eggs, they are also small b in this instance. When we're then trying to work out what the offspring will be, we do what is known as a Punnett square, and we draw the Punnett square out. On one, we put the egg information down on it, and in the other part of the table, then we put the sperm information on it. So in this instance, we have blue eyes, so small b, and also small b. And for the male, all of them are big B and big B. So then you say, right, well, what's the chance of a big B sperm, brown-eyed sperm, meeting a blue-eyed egg? And you just work out what the combinations will be. So B meeting with small b, so if that sperm was to meet with that egg, this would be what the combination would be. If this sperm was to meet with that egg, then it would be big B, small b. And if that sperm was to meet with that egg, it would be big B, small b. So when we look at the 4 offspring, or possible 4 offspring, because each of them has a capital letter present, the dominant allele present, then all the offspring will then have brown eyes. So their phenotype is brown-eyed, and their genotype, but the genetic makeup, is big B, small b.